Hello everyone. I am Divyana and I want to share something really special with you. It is about my experience with the rain in Shillong. When I first moved here from North India, I was amazed by the rain. It felt different and I found myself incredibly happy whenever it rained. The weather became so lovely and I couldn't help but smile every time the raindrops fell. It's not just light drizzles, sometimes it pours heavily. This beautiful rain graces us from June to October, making everything fresh and green. The rainwater also affects places like the beautiful Dauki River, which is also known as River Umgat, that becomes muddy and loses its clarity. The waterfalls here also swell with rainwater. It's amazing to see nature's power up close. Just imagine waking up to the soothing sound of raindrops tapping on your window. That's how magical the rain is here in Meghalaya. It's not just rain, it's happiness falling from the sky. Here's a surprising fact. Meghalaya is home to the world's wettest places, Mausin Ram and Cherrapunji. You would think with all this rain, we had never run out of water, right? But here's the twist. Despite being one of the wettest places on earth, we face water scarcity. It's puzzling, isn't it? Yet it's true and it's reported to the media. Every day, I see water tankers carrying water from one place to another. It makes me so sad because water is essential for everyone. Just imagine a situation if everyone faced water scarcity. But don't worry, there's a solution. Have you heard about rainwater harvesting? It's like catching raindrops and saving them for later. We can collect rainwater and supply it to the houses. It's a fantastic way to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting has been done in few places in Meghalaya, but it needs to be done in more and more places. We can also talk to the village councils called Dorbashnong or Gram Panchayats about this problem. By educating people about rainwater harvesting, we can ensure that everyone has enough water. Even though the solutions are good, I feel like we can do something else. This is a simple process called filtration. That water will be stored after it has been filtered. When filtered, it can be used for our daily uses. Another solution I would like to suggest is to store water. We can store water in the backyard or the front yard of the house. If that water gets polluted or dirty over time, we can make a special tank to filter it whenever it is dirty. You might be thinking that the solutions that I'm speaking right now are a bit common, so let me introduce you to something new by mashing these ideas together. First, the water gets collected by the rain. Then, it will be transferred somewhere it will be stored. Before that, it will go through a process called filtration and purify the water. After that, it will be stored and can be used for later. It will also be transferred to the rest of the house. When used, it will go through a process called reusing. When finished, it will do the process again and again. If polluted or dirty, it will auto clean itself. Additionally, we should always try to do our small bit to prevent water wastage. Like for example, pouring and drinking the exact water that is required instead of pouring excess of water and throwing away the rest. Why don't we do something like this in our houses and communities? We could do so much more than copying and pasting from the original creators. So, to sum it up, rain in Meghalaya is lovely, but it also brings challenges like water scarcity. By understanding such issues and working together, we can save water for everyone. Before I conclude my TED Talk, I would also like to say a quote on water by Thomas Fuller. We never know the worth of water till the well is dry. I hope you enjoyed my TED Talk. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.